Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi Q4 Black Edition 45 e-tron finished in the modern Typhoon Grey Metallic paintwork. This powerful 2024 model is a 45 e-tron with an 82 kilowatts battery that produces 210 kilowatts or 282 horsepower. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with a rear lights bar for great visibility, large 21-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, black roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q4 badging, in addition to stylish e-tron badging at the front and rear, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 520 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In regards to charging this vehicle, you can find both AC and DC charging ports on the driver's side of the car, supporting easy home and fast public charging. This Q4 e-tron can charge up to 80% in just 28 minutes on an ultra-rapid public charger, while on a 7 kilowatts fast home charger it can fully charge the battery in just 13 hours, providing a range of up to an impressive 334 miles. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo for that extra touch of style. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and a rear climate control. The front houses a multifunctional flat top and flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vehicle range dependent on charge levels, vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also view the range and charging information and patterns in addition to battery levels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, a central armrest that reveals the hidden compartment, and an open storage compartment that features 2 USB-C charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.